Alan Kyeremanteng ye nipa bia nani eda kwan se da bia no MPP form fatumi no enhyene nsemu na won pre franka emfama wo mo na wode nsem bia to dwa wona probo mu a wo kire mu se Ghana for pa gitumu presidential special initiative no a yen ha ye ni kranka afi bia na yen nya kura no be $25 billion. Adom Kasee etwaso
Opanyi ba kwa wo pre MPP amanyoko no frank etu de bre no ebi Alan Kyeremanteng sembia wode atodwa ene se nhye pa wode gu akwa mu efa engo ene textiles no ho mpanyifo ma omani ekon ho yi a ankasika potini be se $25 billion ena nkebeba wo man emu ya sesikai emu dukran potini sika ya ko IMF akwakwaje no na wona proba okobo ye wo framantem ne mu ena kopie cool FM den sembi tu dwa kire se sakoyan meda ho no be frank etu no de ma MPP amanyoko na amanyoko no mpanyifo nyina no obehwe se wo makeche won sabeka ne pepe na sanso so no mo pension sika so wo monsa ebeka.
I talked about palm oil or oil palm. Malaysia learned about the cultivation of oil palm from Ghana in the early 60s. Currently, Malaysia makes almost 20 billion US dollars, 20 billion, not million, every year from oil palm. Now, can you imagine if we as a country take the oil palm industry seriously and we make only half of that, and if we had continued with the PSIs 22 years ago when I introduced the PSIs, by now every year would have been making minimum $10 billion a year. Cocoa has never given us more than $22 billion a year, never. If I become the flag bearer of our party, I'll make sure that all executives of the party are on full-time salary, they would have social security, and they will also benefit from a pension scheme. Because I feel that that will build the appetite for our younger people to feel that it is worth sacrificing their lives for the party. You don't need government money to do that.
National level,
all executives,
even to the branch.
Yes, even to the what we call the police station level.